morning, my dear lovely children. Dear children, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 6 of Geography, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Today we are going to discuss its location and the type of climate it has. So let's start the chapter, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Now let's start the chapter, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. First of all, students, I want to discuss with you that Saudi Arabia is a desert country. Though it is a rocky plateau, but it is covered with loose sand. Now, what is a desert? First of all, we will discuss this. A desert is a hot and dry area which is covered with loose sand. A desert is a hot and dry area which is covered with loose sand. And Saudi Arabia is also a rocky plateau. Now what is a plateau? Plateau is a high land with flat top and steep sides. Plateau is a high land with flat top and steep sides. It just looks like a table, and due to this reason it is also called table land. Now Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau, but it is covered with loose sand. So it is a desert country. It is located in Arabian Peninsula. Do you know, students, what is a peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides. Our country India is also a peninsula. The southern part of our country is a peninsula because it has Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west and Indian Ocean in the south. Likewise, if we see the map of Saudi Arabia, it has three water bodies here. The Persian Gulf in the east, the Red Sea in the west and the Arabian Sea in the south. Do you know, students, most of the hot deserts are located on the western side of continents. Like our country, India is part of continent Asia. This Saudi Arabia is also lies on the western part of Asia. Our country lies in the southern part of Asia and Saudi Arabia lies on the western side of Asia. So we can say that most of the deserts are located on the western side of continents. Now, very important line is passing through the country. Very important line of latitude is passing through the country. As you can see in the map here, that Tropic of Cancer, which is very important line of latitude, it is passing through the country. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, passes through the country. And Saudi Arabia is the largest country of the Middle East. If we see the map of world, if we see the world map, we can see that it lies in the eastern part and it is the largest country of the Middle East. Now, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Riyadh, which is a modern city of Saudi Arabia. It is the well-developed city of Saudi Arabia, is the capital of it. Now, let's discuss that which are the neighboring countries are there of Saudi Arabia. There are so many neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. Like we have Jordan and Iraq in the north. We have Kuwait in the northeast. We have Bahrain and Qatar in east direction. We have Yemen in south and Oman in the southeast. So these all are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. There is shortage of water always in this country. As I have told you that this country is a desert country. And we see here lot of sand dunes. Now what are sand dunes? Sand dunes are the small hills of sand which are generally found in the desert region. So there are lot of sand dunes which are found here, and there is acute shortage of water in this country as no river flows through this country. So this is all about the location of the Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand.